Good morning and welcome to the Eruditio Training Center. I want to take a few minutes this morning to talk about a few topics that we see that are being confused in the industry. The first one I want to talk about is planning versus printing PMs. We hear a lot of organizations say that their planners are planning work, and then we go in and we take a look and there's really no planned corrective work being done. They are merely printing out PMs and potentially getting the parts kitted up and ready. So one of the things you want to drive your planners to be doing is kitting corrective and planning corrective work, not just your preventive maintenance. So this is our first tip for this series. Hope this helps you out. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out and chat with us. Have a great day. Good morning.